Hello and welcome, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing the Boult Audio AirBass PowerBuds. As you can see, this is the box that these true wireless earbuds come in. It says extra bass, and what else do we have? At the back you have some features given. 120-hour playtime. It has a wake up and pair feature, Google voice command, noise cancellation, call and music controls. It's Bluetooth 5.0 auto pair. Both earbuds work as masters, and stereo calling and mic. Okay, and let's just go ahead and unbox that. It says don't accept this if the seal is broken. And Boult has signed on Kriti Sanon as the brand ambassador, so you've got her photo and a signature there on the left side. And once you open it up, so you get, there's a Boult audio. Okay, so there's some documents. You have a user manual in here. Keep that off to the side. And you have a very nice looking, neatly packaged, these are the accessories, and these are the earbuds. So let's take a look at the earbuds themselves. As you see, once you open it up, the light blinks on, and these are the earbuds themselves. They come with this little thing initially when you buy them to help keep them protected, and so they don't discharge actually. And the accessories that you get along with this, let's see what you get. So you get, of course, a USB Type-C charging cable, and you get some extra ear tips. How many are there? And I'm not going to open this, but you have 1, 2, 3, 4 extra ear tips that come along with this. Okay, so there you are. That was the unboxing of the Boult Audio AirBass PowerBuds. We hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.